Okay, so I'm gonna solve the Rubik's Cube in about 2 minutes. Yeah, around that. And my mother just scrambled it thoroughly. You can, as you can see. And I'm using a speed cube. So, sorry guys, but this might it has a lot of loose joints and stuff. So if you ever see me go like dang or something like that, it means that some of the pieces just went it flipped, something like that, or fell out. So yeah, I'm gonna attempt to do it about right now.
Alright, you were 36 seconds in.
Hey, it was a long intro.
Yeah.
And long intros are the best.
I'm getting confused.
What are you confused about? Done.
Nice. So
I just finished it. If you want to learn the way I did, go to how to solve a 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube by some guy named Noah Richardson. So yes, that is the tutorial on me solving the Rubik's Cube.
you did it in...
I'm only 8, yeah, and I did it in what?
It was 2 minutes and 50 seconds, so minus 36. So 2 minutes and 14 seconds.
Yay, I was so close.
Is that right? No. Is that right? My math is not as good as yours.
No, it's 2 minutes and 24.
Okay.
Well, either way, I'm still 24 seconds off. Who cares? Yeah, so I solved the Rubik's Cube, and yeah, that took much time.
Good job.
So yeah, I finished it.
All right. Good job.